Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss the objective question in the chapter of carbonyl compound. Let's start with tutorial question number 1. On heating of compound X with acidified CmNO4, so we know the reaction is oxidation, and compound Y is obtained. Compound Y does not react with varying solution, means that this is not, compound Y is not aldehyde. So what are X and Y are mostly likely to be? So from here, we know option D is out because the compound Y CH3, CH2, C double bond OH is the aldehyde. Okay, then next one we will going to check the option A. This is ketone. If ketone undergo oxidation, first thing is ketone cannot undergo oxidation. So option A also will be out. Then next one, B is secondary alcohol. So if secondary alcohol undergo oxidation, will produce ketone. So seems like the option B is correct. However, we try to look at option C. This one is primary alcohol. So if primary alcohol meet with strong oxidizing agent, it supposedly will produce carboxylic acid, but this is ketone. So option C also wrong. So the correct answer is B. Question number 2. 2-propanol is oxidized to propanol using hot acidified CmNO4. Which of the following reagent can be used to confirm that oxidation has occurred in this reaction? So when we look at the reagent 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, so we know this is the reagent for Brady test, and the purpose of Brady test is to test the presence of the carbonyl compound. The propanol ketone is one of the example of carbonyl compound, so option A seems like okay. Torrance reagent is positive result towards aldehyde. Propanol is ketone, so B is not correct. Similar case happened to C. C is positive result towards aliphatic aldehyde. So option C will be out also. Option D, HCN. Yes, basically HCN can react with the carbonyl compound. However, there is no obvious observation or obvious changes that we can see. So that's why donkey also is not the suitable answer. So among all these 4 options, option A is the most correct answer. Okay, question number 3. Which of the following reagent can be used to differentiate propana and propanol? So 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine is the reagent for Brady test. So both propana and propanol can give positive result towards Brady test. So this is not suitable. Hydrogen cyanide, like just now we say, it is under the category type of reaction nucleophilic addition. So both propana and also propanol also will react with hydrogen cyanide, but there is no obvious reaction. Or obvious changes that we can observe, so we will not choose B. Lithium aluminum hydride is the reagent for reduction, reducing agent. So both propana, if undergo reduction, will produce primary alcohol, and propanol undergo reduction will produce secondary alcohol. So since both have reaction, so we cannot use them to differentiate there. So for the Torrance test, Torrance reagent means Torrance test, they only will give positive result towards aldehyde. So in this case, propana is the aldehyde, propanol is the ketone. And then the observation that we can observe is silver mirror. So therefore, if you want to differentiate propana and propanol, among these 4 options, Torrance reagent is the most suitable. Tutorial question number 4. Hydrogen cyanide react with ethanol. Okay, so I think this one we have to change it to ethanol. because this one is in the chapter of carbonyl compound, but does not react with ethane because, so from here we have the idea that the hydrogen cyanide when react with the ethana will be under the category nucleophilic addition. So basically the option C will be out because they say they undergo substitution. So the next one, since it is nucleophilic addition, so that means the nucleophile will going to attack the carbon. So why they will attack the carbon? Because the carbon has low electron density. So it is B. Question number 5. Ethana differs from others aldehyde in its reaction with. So acidified potassium dichromate 6 is oxidation. So both will undergo oxidation. So this one we cannot differentiate them. Ferring solution will give the positive result towards all the aldehyde. Basically is aliphatic aldehyde. Okay, but here they also didn't mention to clear the others aldehyde, is it including aromatic aldehyde? So we keep in view first for the option B. Alkali iodine solution, so is referred to I2 and NaOH. So this is the iodoform test. So the structure for ethana is CH3, C double bond O, H. So iodoform test is, the purpose of iodoform test is to detect the presence of methyl carbonyl. Okay, so for ethana, there is confirmed that there is methyl carbonyl. So let's say we have others example of the aldehyde. For example, if I have propana, so it will not have methyl group. Okay, so that means this one always is alkyl group and this one always is the hydrogen, and the alkyl group will be higher, has more than one carbon. So that means for question number 5, C seems like it's more suitable if compared to B. Okay, so because others aldehydes means that no matter it is aliphatic or aromatic, also will not give positive result towards iodoform test. D, hydrogen in the presence or I think this one is in the presence of nickel catalyst. So when this happens, so we know that this one is referred to the reduction process. So basically all the aldehyde undergo reduction will produce primary alcohol. So option D also will not be suitable. So among Boy and C, C definitely is much more better than option B. So the correct answer is C. Question 6, benzaldehyde. So this is the structure for benzaldehyde. And then propana. This is the structure for propana. CH3, CH2. So Torrent reagent is all aliphatic, all aldehyde will have positive result. So positive, Torrance test not suitable. If B Ferring test, only aliphatic aldehyde will show positive result. Aliphatic aldehyde. So benzaldehyde, no reaction towards Ferring test. And number propana, yes. C iron 3 chloride, basically this is identification test for phenol, so we will out this. Alkali iodine solution, again is the iodoform test, so it is to test the presence of methyl carbonyl. So definitely in benzaldehyde does not have methyl carbonyl. For the propana also has no methyl carbonyl. So definitely the correct answer for question number 6 is Boy. Question 7. Compound X has the following properties. Give positive towards iodophore test, means that going to have methyl carbinol or methyl carbonyl. So try to check the answer. Okay, this one is the secondary alcohol and then doesn't have the methyl group, so A is out. C even have the methyl group, however, it will not be the correct answer as well because it is only have methyl group but then doesn't have the CH3. Okay, so the methyl carbonyl structure supposedly is CH3OH, and then there must be one bond bonded to the hydrogen. So B also out. C, CH3, CH2, C double bond OH, very obvious, also out. So the answer is D. So we can see that is the methyl carbonyl group. It does not produce hydrogen chloride gas when treated with phosphorus pentachloride. So this PCl5 will be react with the alcohol. So in here, this one is not alcohol. So definitely there is no reaction. So the answer is donkey. Last question. Which of the following compound has no reaction with an alkaline solution of iodine? So again is iodoform test. So iodoform test is to test the presence of methyl carbonyl or methyl carbonyl. So try to check over here. CH3, C double bond OH. So this one have the reaction. CH3, C double bond O, CH3 also consists of methyl carbonyl group. CH3, 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 OH. This one is not methyl carbonyl. And then the last one, CH3, C double bond O. And then, yes, this one consists of methyl carbonyl. So the answer is C. So that's all for this video. Thank you and hope you get the idea from this discussion. See you. Bye bye.